So our baby chicks are meeting a hen for the first time, and let's see what happens. So the hen looks very curious. The hen is probably wondering, are these all my little eggs hatched? And the chicks are wondering, is that mama? Is that you, mama? Looks like they're trying to communicate there. They're all huddled around here. There's two strays back there, but for the most part, they're all right here. They all seem very curious. Oh, so the hen is wondering, how do I get in there now? Nope, doesn't look familiar.